My memory of Intramuros was always during Holy Week. I think we come here around 4 or 5 a.m. because the Manila Cathedral will be full of people to join together in one community of prayer. And whenever we come to Intramuros, we really appreciate that story of our country, the story of our city, and maybe the stories also of many people who lived here before. This place for us priests is a very special place because this is where all of us could gather as one community, as one church here in Manila. My dream for Intramuros, that it will become a center of faith and even pilgrimage for many people around the world. I am Father Cali Llamado. I am currently the Vice Rector of the Manila Cathedral. By being young as a priest, I think it is my duty now to bring the church and the faith much closer to young people.